English adventurers, welcome to day 6. You're still here, and we're keeping this going together.
Today's theme is a busy day, the kind of day when your schedule is full and there's always something else to do.
We'll move through different moments as the day unfolds. Plans, changing schedules, things that need to get done, and finding time to slow down again.
No long speeches from us, as always. You're here to practice, and that's exactly what we're going to do.
First round, listen and repeat. Stay with the sound and rhythm. No need to think about every word yet.
On the second round, listen to the meaning too. Translate when you need to, and notice how the sentences fit everyday life.
100 useful sentences today, all built around getting through a busy day.
Finish all 100? Come back and leave us a day 6 done.
Ready? Let's go.
Today is going to be a busy one.
Today is going to be a busy one.
I've got a lot on my plate this week.
I've got a lot on my plate this week. My calendar is completely full today. My calendar is completely full today.
I have 3 meetings before lunch.
I have 3 meetings before lunch.
Do you have a busy schedule today too?
Do you have a busy schedule today too? I need to leave the house by 7 at the latest. I need to leave the house by 7 at the latest.
There's no time for a proper breakfast. There's no time for a proper breakfast.
I'll just grab a coffee on the way instead. I'll just grab a coffee on the way instead.
I've got about 10 things on my list.
I've got about 10 things on my list. One thing at a time, that's my rule. One thing at a time, that's my rule. Sorry, I'm running a bit late. Sorry, I'm running a bit late.
Could we start 5 minutes later, please?
Could we start 5 minutes later, please?
Traffic is much worse than expected today. Traffic is much worse than expected today. I'm on my way now, almost there. I'm on my way now, almost there. Thanks for waiting. I really appreciate it. Thanks for waiting. I really appreciate it. I really hate being late for anything at all. I really hate being late for anything at all.
Do you find it hard to be on time?
Do you find it hard to be on time?
Better 10 minutes early than 1 minute late.
Better 10 minutes early than 1 minute late.
I always set 2 alarms on busy days.
I always set 2 alarms on busy days.
Could we maybe move this to tomorrow?
Could we maybe move this to tomorrow?
I'm afraid I can't make it today.
I'm afraid I can't make it today.
Would Thursday work better for you?
Would Thursday work better for you?
Let me check my calendar quickly.
Let me check my calendar quickly.
I'm free after 3 o'clock.
I'm free after 3 o'clock.
Would 2 o'clock work for you?
Would 2 o'clock work for you?
I'll send you an invitation shortly.
I'll send you an invitation shortly. Sorry, something urgent has come up. Sorry, something urgent has come up. Can we reschedule for next week? Can we reschedule for next week?
Do you often have to reschedule things?
Do you often have to reschedule things?
I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
That won't take long. Don't worry.
That won't take long, don't worry.
It should be finished by this afternoon. It should be finished by this afternoon.
Could you give me an extra day?
Could you give me an extra day?
I'm still working on it right now.
I'm still working on it right now.
It should be ready by Friday.
It should be ready by Friday.
I'll let you know when it's done.
I'll let you know when it's done.
Deadlines always come faster than expected. Deadlines always come faster than expected. I work better under a little pressure. I work better under a little pressure.
Do you work well under pressure too?
Do you work well under pressure too?
I never promise more than I can deliver.
I never promise more than I can deliver.
I'm having lunch at my desk today.
I'm having lunch at my desk today. 15 minutes is enough for a break. 15 minutes is enough for a break.
I really need 5 minutes of fresh air.
I really need 5 minutes of fresh air. A short walk always clears my head.
A short walk always clears my head. Do you take proper breaks during the day?
Do you take proper breaks during the day?
Coffee helps a little, but water helps more. Coffee helps a little, but water helps more.
I stretch my shoulders every hour or so. I stretch my shoulders every hour or so.
Sitting all day is exhausting. Sitting all day is exhausting.
A busy day is easier with small breaks.
A busy day is easier with small breaks. Could you help me with this quickly?
Could you help me with this quickly?
I could really use an extra pair of hands today.
I could really use an extra pair of hands today. Would you mind taking one thing off my list?
Would you mind taking one thing off my list?
I can't do everything on my own.
I can't do everything on my own. Asking for help saves so much time.
Asking for help saves so much time.
Would you be able to lend a hand later?
Would you be able to lend a hand later? Let me know if you ever need help, too. Let me know if you ever need help, too.
We could split this task between us.
We could split this task between us.
2 people finish things much faster. 2 people finish things much faster. Nobody manages a busy day completely alone. Nobody manages a busy day completely alone.
The afternoon is always the hardest part.
The afternoon is always the hardest part. I lose focus around 3 o'clock.
I lose focus around 3 o'clock.
A quick break always brings me back. A quick break always brings me back.
I've still got 2 things to finish.
I've still got 2 things to finish.
I'll probably stay a little later today.
I'll probably stay a little later today.
I don't want to take work home. I don't want to take work home.
Almost done, just one more email. Almost done, just one more email. I always finish the last task properly.
I always finish the last task properly.
I never leave things half finished.
I never leave things half-finished.
I like having a plan for tomorrow, too.
I like having a plan for tomorrow, too.
Sorry, I don't have time right now.
Sorry, I don't have time right now.
Could we talk about this tomorrow instead?
Could we talk about this tomorrow instead?
I'm right in the middle of something.
I'm right in the middle of something. Could I call you back a bit later?
Could I call you back a bit later?
I really need to finish this one thing first.
I really need to finish this one thing first.
Let's discuss it in the morning.
Let's discuss it in the morning.
I'd rather do it properly than quickly.
I'd rather do it properly than quickly.
I have to say no to things sometimes.
I have to say no to things sometimes.
Do you find it hard to say no?
Do you find it hard to say no?
Saying no is not the same as being rude.
Saying no is not the same as being rude.
Protecting your time is completely normal.
Protecting your time is completely normal.
I close my laptop at 6 no matter what.
I close my laptop at 6 no matter what. I don't check emails in the evening. I don't check emails in the evening. Everything else can wait until tomorrow. Everything else can wait until tomorrow. I got through everything important today. I got through everything important today.
I'm quite proud of what I finished.
I'm quite proud of what I finished. Busy days always go by surprisingly fast.
Busy days always go by surprisingly fast.
I always sleep well after a full day. I always sleep well after a full day. I make tomorrow's list before I leave. I make tomorrow's list before I leave. Starting the day with a plan really helps. Starting the day with a plan really helps. A good list makes a busy day easier. A good list makes a busy day easier.
Are you having a busy day too?
Are you having a busy day too? How do you manage when everything comes at once? How do you manage when everything comes at once? I take a busy day 1 hour at a time. I take a busy day 1 hour at a time. Nobody can do everything perfectly. Nobody can do everything perfectly. Good enough is often good enough.
Good enough is often good enough.
I try to focus on what really matters. I try to focus on what really matters. The smaller things can always wait. The smaller things can always wait.
A busy day is not a bad day.
A busy day is not a bad day. A busy day reminds me that I'm needed. A busy day reminds me that I'm needed. Tonight, I'm gonna rest properly. Tonight, I'm going to rest properly.
You made it through a busy day and another 100 sentences of English. 6 days in, and look how much speaking practice you've already put in.
If you completed today's session, leave us a Day 6 done in the comments. You're building quite a streak now.
And if you only had time for part of it today, that's okay. A busy day doesn't have to mean no English at all.
Drop in I practiced today instead. Every bit of practice moves you forward.
If these sessions are becoming part of your day, liking the video and subscribing helps more English learners discover the challenge too.
We're really happy you're building this community with us. Thank you, English adventurers.
Tomorrow, we're getting a little more personal, talking about something you already know very well, your own day.
From the little things that happened to the moments worth remembering, you'll practice turning an ordinary day into real English conversation.
See you on Day 7, English Adventurers.